Okay guys and gals, today I'm working on a Dodge Dakota, same one I done the radiator on, but this time we're thinking that the water pump's gone because it'll overheat just a mile into the drive. So here's the truck, and I don't know if you can see down in there. Down in there is the water pump, and I'll take you step by step on how to change the water pump on a Dodge Dakota. Okay, you're going to need this special tool to get the flywheel off. So you have to get one of those. So now let's get let's get the fan clutch off. And you'll have to hit it that way with a hammer, because it'll be locked on there, and you have to hit it with the hammer to break it loose. So let me get the fan wheel off, and we'll go from there. Alright, next we'll get to this bolt to get the tension off of the idler arm so we can get the belt off. So let's get to that next. Okay, this nut or bolt is a 15 millimeter. So we'll put the 15 on there, and then put another wrench here, and then get that belt off. Well, I think this says that the water pump is bad. There ain't supposed to be no movement in that. So, yep, the water pump is shot. Okay, you're gonna have to take this idler off so you can get to a bolt for the water pump that's behind it, and it's a 15. So let's get it off. There's the idler pulley that came from right here. So now next is to get the water pump off. So let's try to get to that. Okay, some of these bolts, I don't know if all of them are, but some of them are 13 millimeter. So let's get them off now. Okay, as you see, I got the water pump off, and I don't know if you can tell, that's telling me it's bad. So now I got it off with all these bolts, and now we got to put it right back on, or put a new one back on. So we'll get to that later. Alright, I'm back. I had to get the new water pump for this truck, and now I'm getting ready to reinstall it. It's just a reverse process, so let's get after it. Alright, this water pump come with a gasket, a rubber gasket. It didn't come with a paper one, so you just gotta watch out for that. Now it's time to get this on right down in there. Let's get to it. When you do put the water pump on, make sure you know where the bolts go, because there's 3 long ones. So make sure of that, because this is a long one, that's a long one, and this is a long one that'll go right there, and then the rest are the short ones. So just remember that. Alright, now it's time to put this idler back on down here so we can get the belt and everything back on it. and then we'll see if it runs and stay cool and not get hot. Alright guys and gals, and it's all back together. So now it's just to turn up the key and see if it'll run and stay where it needs to be instead of overheats. So let's see. Alright, as you can hear, it's running. So now we just wait for it to get up to temperature and see if it'll stay at the operating temperature and not go any higher. So I'll get back with you. Alright, I'm back. I went on a test drive. The truck's still overheated, so I brought it back. Checked. The next thing I checked was the thermostat, and the thermostat was in backwards. So I swapped that around. Now it's idling again, and we'll see if it overheats this time. If it does, then something else is wrong, so we'll see. Alright guys, I think I've got it fixed. Somebody put the thermostat in backwards and it was fighting me because of that. So I got it to where it'll stay at its normal operating temperature. So now I'm going to let it cool down completely and then refire it up and see if it'll stay. If it does stay, then a job well done. So catch you on the next one.